Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's beautiful winter time and also the time when we stay a little more inside our homes chilling. Unless we are a little more lucky to go outside to enjoy the snow and nature. Either way, there always comes a time when we just want to do something creative and yet relaxing. In this video, I want to show you guys something absolutely worth of try. How does artists relax? Now, let me introduce you to paint by numbers and diamond painting. Have you ever heard about this? If not, prepare yourself some tea and let's dive into it. I will show you all what I learned during the process from start to finish and all what you need to know. Are we interested? I'm sure we are. So let's get started. I was happy to collaborate with NewCraftDay. They were kind enough to send me those for tests and review for you guys. They were also patient enough to wait for this video. And why is that? We are gonna get there soon. On their website you can find diamond painting, cross-stitching and paint by numbers. There are so many beautiful pictures to choose from. I really had a hard time to choose only two. All links are listed down below the video for you to check, so don't worry. Unboxing time! And we are gonna start from diamond painting. This set including small packages with colorful diamonds, every single color that we need to fill the picture, a pen that will allow us to pick up diamonds, a special glue that we need for diamonds so they can stick to, a small tray for diamonds, some small plastic bags and of course our picture. Now let's move to paint by numbers. This set includes small containers with acrylic paint. This is an acrylic paint, not an oil paint, so working with it is much more beginners friendly. Each paint has a different number on top. We have 3 brushes, 1 flat and 2 small precise brushes for details. They are rather cheap, kinda typical crafty brushes, but they do the job. We have 2 golden picture hangers, a information card with instructions for use and some tips, a miniature picture of our big painting, and of course a real canvas with our picture. I was surprised by the good quality of the canvas itself. It's linen, true material canvas covered with the white base layer, and on top of it is printed contour of the picture with numbers. Simple as that. But before we start our journey, we absolutely must smooth our canvas for our own convenience. So they stayed under this mat for 3 days. And now we are ready. I picked a diamond painting with round diamonds, but there are also square-shaped diamonds, and here you can tell the difference. This one is made only from square diamonds, and I still didn't finish it. It takes ages, really. And that's why I think round diamonds are perfect for beginners. You can fill it quicker and no need so much precision as you need for square ones. So now let's move to preparing our workspace. I separated all bags from each other. You need to be careful with numbers to not mix them or switch them. You can put them to those plastic bags and then use it like that, but from my personal experience, I know this will take much longer to go back and forth, especially when you will miss one crystal. And here's my first tip for you. Use small balls like that to store your crystals and use washi tape to write down the correct numbers. It's good to use washi tape because later you can easily take the tape off without any glue that would stick on the surface. And now it will be way easier and faster to pour those crystals on the tray. The rules are simple. On the side we have numbers with colors of the crystals, and we must place them on the correct numbers or letters. Simple as that. Let's prepare our pen and we are ready to go. All you need to do is to dip your pen into the special red glue, like that, so crystals can stick to it. Underneath this foil is a space covered with glue, but don't take the whole foil from the painting. Work step by step or piece by piece at once to prevent glue from getting dirty. Now we simply grab crystals and placing them on the correct signs. It's absolutely relaxing, and you can also practice precision and your eye-hand coordination. When you feel crystals doesn't want to stick so much to the glue in your pen, you can always replace it for a new one and keep working. My method for diamond painting is to work small parts color by color. I try to find all diamonds from single color that I picked, and after this I move to another color. That way works the best for me, and I found it the fastest. But of course, you can work on your own way and the way that you like most. It's absolutely a fun and relaxing project to try, but it takes some time from start to finish. This you must be aware. But the ending result is absolutely stunning and shiny. And that's how many crystals left us to use it for some other craft project. And now painting is ready to frame, and we are moving to paint by numbers. I always wanted to try this because it's such a beginner-friendly method to paint something great without any artistic background. All what you need to do is just follow the numbers with particular color of the paint. And for this we have one medium brush for big areas and two small detail brushes. You must remember, those are acrylic paint, so they will dry when you will leave them open. According to the instruction, you can add 1 or 2 drops of medium that will slow drying time of paint. And that's what I did with first 3 paints. But you can absolutely skip this step because those paints are good quality and they don't dry that fast. Of course, when you remember to keep them closed in those containers. Here you can see the numbers, and you can always put some white acrylic paint to cover them first before the actual color. But again, from my experience, you can cover them with paint itself, as you will cover those lines between each parts as well. I started from the sky, and instead of just filling the shapes, I decided to blend the colors with each other for a better transition. And what I really like about paint by numbers is that freedom while painting. You can just fill those areas if you're absolutely a beginner to painting, but you can also turn this into a masterpiece when you are more advanced. It's totally up to you how this will look like at the end, which creates this nice space for your inner creative spirit. It's absolutely beginner friendly, but also perfect for artists. Instead of using those small brushes, I decided to use my trusty small detail brush that also will pick a little more paint when I need to speed it up the whole process. And if you think this is a fast project, let me surprise you. It takes much more time than you might think. During painting, I changed my hybrid nails 4 times. It takes absolutely ages as well because of the size of the canvas itself, which is 40 by 50 centimeters. The upside of this is that you can stop painting anytime and get back to it whenever you want. If your paints are closed correctly, they won't dry. Just keep in mind to not roll the canvas or not fold it to prevent paint from cracking. Here you can see the part of the sky and how it would look like when you paint it by lines, but I decided to blend those lines. The whole process of painting is very relaxing and I absolutely enjoyed it. Now I will leave you with some time-lapse of this painting, but this is not the end of this project yet, so stay with me till the end. And that's how this painting looks like when you feel those numbers. From the distance, it looks good, but it always can look better, right? If you are more advanced, now is your turn to go wild and make some details. You can treat this as an underpainting. Now grab some acrylic paints if you need some more shades or colors and have fun adding some details. And that's why I think paint by numbers is such a great idea to start your journey with painting, or maybe just try something new or simply practicing skills. It's so stressless and you are sure at the end this will look great anyway, only if you will follow the lines. I decided to go wild and add some transfer silver foil as final touch to my painting. It's hard to show this shine in camera, but trust me, it looks great. And after a whole palette of mixed colors, there it is, my version of this painting. I am absolutely happy with the ending result. How about you guys? Who of you ever tried diamond painting or paint by numbers? Let me know in comment section. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell to be notified about my future videos. See you in my next video. Bye!